Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel where we bring to you some of the latest and important cryptocurrency news today. If you like such content, please consider liking this video, smashing that subscribe button, and dropping a comment in the comment section. Without wasting any time, let us get into today's cryptocurrency news. Before we take a look at everything that is happening in the crypto market, let's first hop onto the crypto bubbles. As you can see, it's mostly been a good day with most coins in the green with just a few coins like ApeCoin down 12%. If we look at the king of the coins, which is the Bitcoin, you can see that we are currently sitting at $46,444.30. If we look at market sentiment today, we can see that the market is calm as market sentiment are neutral. First up in crypto news is news coming out of Australia. In a further sign of digital currencies entering the mainstream, more than 170 OTR outlets across South Australia, Victoria, and Western Australia will begin accepting crypto payments from July. Motorists will soon be able to use Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to pay for their fuel and other in-store purchases with convenience giant OTR. It is becoming more and more evident that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole is here to stay and is the future. As time progresses, more and more institutions and establishments will embrace digital currency as the way to go. I expect more and more establishments and institutions to follow suit. In other crypto news, we will look at Apple. I would first like to put a disclaimer that all these are just rumors. Rumors are swirling that tech giant Apple might be considering crypto as a payment method. According to Bloomberg, the tech giant is now aiming to reduce its reliance on external partners by building its own payments infrastructure, enabling transactions to be processed without the need for an intermediary. Jack Mallers is expected to make a big announcement at the Bitcoin 2022 conference. Last November, Apple CEO Tim Cook also revealed that he is a crypto investor and said he believes it's reasonable to own it as part of a diversified portfolio. However, Cook poured water on the idea that Apple would invest some of its considerable cash reserves into Bitcoin. As I said, that all these are just rumors and nobody knows for sure, but if Apple indeed embraced cryptocurrency, this would be huge and would be extremely bullish. I guess we just have to wait for the Bitcoin conference. Last but not least is the news of the 19th million Bitcoin being officially mined this past Friday. Now I know what you must be thinking right now. What does this really mean? This simply means that 19 million Bitcoins have now entered into circulation. There are now just 2 million Bitcoins left with the last coin expected to be minted roughly in the year 2140. I can only imagine that with Bitcoin set to be more and more scarce, that might make it more and more bullish. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed those news recaps, please drop a like and follow my channel for more news. Please don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that you can be updated when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.